to head to nature where I usually be at. Got this white car behind me and he going the same way I'm going. Can't make this up. Coming right where I'm going. Can't make this up. You got the police headlight, the police rear view mirror. Like, what kind of, those cars don't even come with that on their mirrors. Can't make this up, man. Look how close he is tailing me. Got a red car right there too. Bet you they got somebody over there too. Bet they got somebody where I usually go to nature. I bet you there's somebody over there. They had to come rob my ass. Fucking retards. Look at this view though. No, I don't got that much time till somebody shows up, because he just sent the white car that just drove by. He just tailed me so they know where my location is. He seen me pull in here, so I know I don't got that much time. So I'm about to just get in here and wind a little bit. Do what I gotta do, man. It's good to be in nature sometimes. Fucking simulation is insane, man. You gotta be in nature sometimes. And this game is insane. Straight Truman Show. And you know what's crazy? They got cameras in the park. I can't make this up. I'm gonna show y'all. So right now what they really doing is they merging nature with technology, right? I'm gonna show y'all some shit. All these plants are artificially planted. Look at that. Y'all see that? They got a camera that they trying to hide inside the trees, inside nature. They wrapped it around. Trying to hide it right there. You see that? They hiding cameras inside the fucking regular matrix, the nature. They merging it with technology. So when you think you in nature, you might not even be alone. They might have cameras in there somewhere watching me. I can't make this up. This shit is deep, man. This whole simulation it goes deeper than y'all think, man. I swear people aren't paying attention to what's going on. They not. I just showed y'all a camera mixed inside nature. There's probably cameras in here somewhere. Can't make this up. But this whole thing is just a psyop, man. It's AI technology mixed with high spirituality. It's spiritual, technological. Just like the Bible said, we move among unseen forces and principalities. Can't make this up. All these plants, these are artificial plants. Why are they doing that? Why don't you just let God do what he do? There goes another camera inside there. He probably got a camera in there. Can't make this up. They be trying to hide cameras in nature. It's crazy. So when you think you alone, you really not. They still watching you. Can't go nowhere and get peace. Just like Edward Snowden said. This shit is all surveillance, police state, police Gestapo type games. But hey, man, I try to enjoy what I can. At least I ain't bothered. I got some time before they send one of their bots out here. It's crazy. Man, that wind breeze feel good though. See the chemtrails? Surrounded by chemtrails. They trying to block out the sun. The sun like, hell no, y'all ain't gonna block me out. I'ma find a way to come out. I'ma find a way to come out on top. Just like me. No matter what they throw at me, I'ma always come out on top. They can't stop me. They can't break my spirit. Just like a dude, I never forget this. Old head. Well, he's a bot too, but he kind of woke up because they put him in they little prison where they trying to throw me. He was in there for about 30 years, right? He told me some real shit I'll never forget. This shit caught my attention. He said, they'll only win when they break your spirit. That's what he told me. They only win when they break your spirit. I'll never forget that. I'll never forget that. And that's something that stuck with me for a while too. That's the only way they win, when they break your spirit. They could do whatever they want, throw their bots at me, throw their little gangstalking harassment, surveillance, them voices at EMF radiation, having family and friends turn on me, family dying, friends dying. That shit'd never break my spirit, because I know what they doing. And I know who I am. They know I'm powerful. And that's what you gotta do. If you watching this, can't let them break your spirit, man. Let me walk in here. I never walked through this path over here. They probably got cameras all in there too. Heard the helicopter. Got the noise campaign going just now. All these artificial plants, Planting artificial plants for what? Just let God do what he do. Shit, man, people gotta keep their head up, cause you still gotta have compassion. Just like what Jesus did in the Bible. He had compassion for all the people that was persecuting him. Cause they don't know better. They under mind control. They under electromagnetic warfare, direct energy weapons. They don't know no better at all. That's why you gotta have compassion on people, man. They really don't know. Man, this trail goes far. And it's crazy, man. Everybody just moving along like nothing's going on. Like they don't know what's about to happen in this country, man. America's about to fall. You see what Russia's doing? People don't even know. China just sent the warning to America saying leave Taiwan alone. That shit don't got nothing to do with y'all. The same thing they did to Ukraine. They trying to do that to Taiwan. For those of y'all who don't know, Taiwan is an island right off of the South China Sea. They trying to make it so they gain their independence and whatnot. And China's like, listen, man, if y'all do that, interfere with any countries around us, we gonna send some serious firepower towards y'all. America, man, y'all time is coming up, man. Y'all little Gestapo, all this shit y'all been doing, persecuting us, trying to tear our spirit down. All the shit y'all been doing, man. Y'all time is coming up. The whole world sees what y'all doing to people, especially black people. China even said it, man. A couple months ago, they said America been persecuting black people like crazy. So who are y'all to come at us when y'all not even doing your own citizens right? You feel me? Shit goes deep, man. You got food shortages coming. Economy's collapsing, crypto. And the crypto shit is funny to me though, cause I be trying to invest, get it how I can, every now and then. But it's crazy. It seems like every time I come up, I get crypto, this shit goes lower. And when I'm trying to sell, after I sell it, they raise the price back up. Can't make this up. They play little games with that shit because it's all controlled anyway. People think crypto is not controlled. They own everything. They own all this shit. That's all this shit is about, control. And I can't go over there. It's a little late. They got in here a little well. Some good water over there too. That's water from the spring. You could probably drink that water too. It's coming straight out the rocks. That's that water you need to be drinking, not that fluoride. Let me see how far this spring goes in. That shit goes all the way in there. That's dope. It's that good water right here. They got nothing but fluoride water, fluoride toothpaste. Shit is just insane, man. But yeah, I'm about to enjoy this view. So I'll tap in with y'all later.